Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be trying to sort out some interior problems I have with my Golf using these four P&S products here. An interior APC, their Terminator enzyme spot and stain remover, their carpet bomber and their finisher peroxide treatment. These are like a step 1, step 2, step 3 in a row where you can use to sort out your carpet and upholstery in your car. And this is just like a general purpose APC. Biggest problem for me, I've been on holiday out in the Ile de Ré, had a lovely time, but the car come back absolutely battered. Literally picked up dents and scrapes, and I'll show you some new dents and scrapes. Looks like someone's kicked the car or fallen over and the bike handles hit it or something. There's no scrape on it, it's just a big dent. And there's some paint transfer on the rear handle and rear door, so something's gone up and down it, so the car just gets hammered when you take it away with it. Just getting to that stage where I think I might need to chop the Golf in, and to get all these little dinks and dents sorted out on the panels is going to cost a fair bit of money as well. I'm thinking I might need to chop it in, but it's kind of almost nice to have a battered car that you don't care about, because if I had a car that I care about, every time I chip it or dink it I have to get it sorted, you know, and you want to try and keep it really nice, and that's not a good thing to have. You want an old banger that just kind of runs. So there's all sorts of issues with this car though. Anyway, one of the other things that happened while I was on holiday in Ile de Ré was my missus took some shells from the beach, live, like little cluster of like clams that were alive, and put them in the car and left them there in 30-degree heat, and they stunk, and it's made a smell in the back that I can't get rid of. So I'm hoping that this enzyme odorator will eliminate the problem. I've also got some sort of stains on the passenger seat and stuff like that, so really good opportunity to check these products out. So anyway, let's get stuck into this, guys. First thing I'm going to do is dry vacuum the inside of the car and get all the dust out before I go in and use these products, which obviously involve wetting surfaces. So let's get stuck in.
If I had wings like Nora's dove, I'd fly up the river to the one I love. Where the one morning, drizzling rain is in my heart. I felt a aching pain. Very well, oh honey. Woman I love, long and tall, she moves her body like a cannonball. Very well. One of these mornings would be long. You'll call my name. honey, fare thee well.
ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
Okay guys, I just want to go to my final 4 summary points now. The cool thing is, the system has worked, the results are good, the stains are gone, the smells are gone. These products have done exactly what I want them to do, and I'm pretty pleased with them. I like them. It's the first time I've used them. Things can go horribly wrong the first time you use them. Not too much can go wrong with these. You just need to be careful with overusing the products, I think. Perhaps using them drier might get you better results with how they perhaps work, but they'll work wet anyway. One other thing that I've written down here, the system here that I've been talking about is 4 products, and I ideally in my head would love for them to be able to get it down to 2 products, because the Express Interior Cleaner and the Carpet Bomber, there's a little bit of similarity between these 2 products. I know P&S that make them will know the differences and say, no, they're not similar. This one's got this in it and this in it, and it's for cleaning, and this is just a milder APC or whatever. I just want one product because that's what I've got at the moment. And I could have tackled, you know, used my APC that I use at the moment in here, and I don't have to have 2. So I just would prefer that there to be 1. And I would love that product to be an extreme concentrate. Which moves me on to the thing that I've talked about before, prices. It'd be great. I mean, P&S should be aiming to get the professional market. And if you want to get the professional market in the UK, the products have to be viable cost-wise. And if we take this as an example, £8.95, and you can knock it down 1-to-1 with water. So you could basically get a litre of this for £8.95. Well, what I use at the moment, Surfex HD or Green Star or something like that, I will use Surfex at around 1-to-20 or 1-to-30. So it's an extreme concentrate, and to make a litre of Surfex to use on my interior will cost me 10p. So it's 10p versus £9. So you know what I mean? There's a massive difference, and I'm happy with the results of Surfex. Now for guys at home, it doesn't matter so much. You know, this isn't expensive compared to what you get when you go into Halfords, when you buy a Maguire's or you buy an Autoglim or something like that. But the little gems for me are where you can get products that are great, and they're extreme concentrates, and they are extremely cheap. I've just given you that example, 10p per litre versus £9 per litre. It might not be exact, but you know what I mean. So that's another thing that review has to cover, that it doesn't make too much difference for guys at home, this pricing, but the professionals or the valeters, the trade, they are aware of the chemical cost. And the chemical cost has to be viable for those industries to go in and use these products. So I don't think, there's no bulk size of this, but maybe if there were, the US gallon came over as well, that would help get the kind of professionals using it. So at the moment, I think you can only get in the 16-ounce bottles. So overall, guys, I am really pleased with the results that I've got from this triage of systems from P&S. If your interior of your car is starting to pick up the odd stain in there, or starting to get manky, and you've got fabric seats or dirty carpets and stuff like that, then this treatment system should help, although the extraction tools and this drill bit tool to work with them are going to be important to getting results. But these chemicals will do what they say, and I've had good results with them. Hope the review's fair. I've captured some of the things that go through my mind, and it's usually quite a healthy thing when the only thing I can pick up really is the price. You can get these ultra concentrates which will outprice these, but in terms of results, it's pretty impressive and it's good stuff. So let me know your thoughts, guys, if you've used the Terminator, the Carpet Bomber, the Finisher and the Express Interior Cleaner. I know lots of you have. They've been around in the US for a while, but they're sort of new over here. All these products are available through Prestige Car Care, and I will link them in the description, guys. Some of the products are available in bulk sizes, some of them aren't, so you can go onto the website and have a look around. And also see some of the other P&S products that we're going to be trying to explore later on. They've got a detail spray here that I've never heard anyone talking about. This could be the next kind of, you know, I suppose it's going to be different to Bead Maker, but this could be a great product in the, you know, hiding away there. And they've got a tyre dressing as well that I'll probably put in the big tyre shootout that I'm going to do, and a leather conditioner treatment stuff. So there's some other things to explore later on as and when I get the time. But this video was all about that interior treatment system, which I can definitely recommend. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and I'll see you soon on the Forensics Detailing channel. Bye for now.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I